There's one, yay. Okay, put him in. Come over here. Put him in. Put him in the water. Yeah, good. There you go.
So I just use my hands. I just grab him and toss him in, huh?
Okay, here, you want to get another one? Another one. Oh, careful. Take it easy. Come on, watch what you're doing. Get a fish. There.
Ooh.
You got him. Put him in. Come over here. Walk. You have to walk.
Come on, get him in.
There.
Here.
Good girl.
Let me hold you so you feel better.
What, you get the
She
fish
likes a little help so she doesn't, yeah. Somebody hold on to her so she doesn't feel like she got to fall in.
Ready? There you go. Ready? There you go. There you go. There you go.
You need another one?
You need another one, quick? Ready? Be nice. Be nice. Are you gonna let me help you? You don't have one.
No fish in there.
Come on, let's get a fish.
There's no fish in there.
Get him. You got him? Yeah, you got him. There he is. Come on.
Oh,
He's
in there, honey.
There you go.
The turtle still in there?
No. It's off.
We had to save one the other day.
Yeah, saved one and put him in, then he took off, then another one came. Put him in. He stayed.
Whoa! We got you, huh?
Ready? Come on, get closer. Oh, you're getting tired.
He's over there looking at the frog. You can't, like, go swimming in there.
Want to get more?
You gonna touch him?
Let's get more. Be careful.
She thinks it's so weak.
Okay, let Grandpa get Princess so she doesn't get hurt. Let Grandpa get her. Okay, come on. Bring her over. Come on. Oh, she's heavy, huh? Bring her over. Bring her. Put her in. Good girl. Yeah, there she goes. Whoopee. Yahoo! Oh, look how pretty. Yeah, there's a bunch of them. Can you get more?
They're in there, huh?
Yeah, now you can see them this time, huh? You filter. See that filter?
Yeah.
That's awesome. Got UV.
Jeez, it looks like you can do a pool right there.
It's good for 1,000 gallons.
1,000?
Yeah.
You got close to that in there.
It's about
Right?
300 maybe.
Yeah.
It's got a UV light in it. Oh boy. Look at that guy, huh? There, good. Okay, get some more. Oh, you're getting into it now. Whoa, big one. Yay! 2 more. That big one. Okay.
Whoa, spicy one.
Yay! 1 more. There he is. 1 more. Little one. It's gonna be hard to get. It's gonna be hard. Get him. There he is. You got him. Yay! Good job.
Woohoo!
There. Whee! All done. Now comes the splashing part. Yay! Leah!